What's up, guys? NJ Pyro here, and we are going to do an unboxing of Pyro Demon Fireworks Family Assortment number 1. Let's get this over here. Alright, so this was picked up at Party Fair in Ramsey, New Jersey. I believe this was 20 bucks-ish. So we'll start at the top here. Pistol Poppers by Legend. We have some Party Poppers, a 6-pack by Legend. We have a generic tank. I don't know if this is what report or anything. It's probably just a regular one. Where's my key? Okay. Got a 6-pack of Magic Smoke by Legend. Very cool. Alright. So we have a 6-pack here of mini fountains by Pyro Diablo. Very interesting. Yeah, like 2 red ones, 2 yellows, 2 blues. I wonder if they do different effects, but that's pretty cool. Alright, we got this Conic Popper by Legend. So this is the string pull thing here. This is confetti or whatever. Alright, we have Legend 5-inch cone fountain by Legend Fireworks. And this is probably the same thing, yes. So you get 2 of these Legend 5-inch cone fountains. So you can see there's 2 of them. Alright, we have Flitter Sweet Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Sweet Honey Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Well, that's cool, there's like a honey picture here, bees. Really cool graphics on these things. Stardust Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Happy Night Fountain, Pyro Diablo. Kung Fu Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Like, interesting base. But they all come with these pictures on the top. This is very, very cool, different. And we got here Magic Garden Fountain by Pyro Diablo. Alright. So that was Pyro Demon Fireworks by Family Assortment. Pyro Demon Fireworks Family Assortment number 1. Like I said, about $20 this was-ish, give or take. I don't really remember. And once again, this is what you get. And thanks for watching.